Hi, Year 7. I just wanted to do a quick video because a few of you were saying that you were finding the Sparks homework this week a little bit tricky. Okay, so we're just going to do a quick recap of rounding to the nearest 10, 100 and 1,000. Alright, first thing we need to know, alright, is the numbers 5 to 9. Okay, they make the number go up. So they make the number round up. If the number is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, it makes it stay the same. Okay, then we need to look at the right column. So here we're finding the round to the nearest 10. So the 2 is in the tens column. Okay, so what I'm going to do, just to make this really obvious, is draw a line after the 2. That's like our cut-off line. Okay, so we need to see what effect this 1 has on that 2. So whether it becomes 120 or 130. Okay, and in this instance, because it's a 1, it doesn't round up. Okay, so it stays as 120. The second one then, just change the colour of my pen. Okay, I'm going to draw a line after the tens column again, just like before. This 2, so the number we've got at the minute is 12,342. So we need to decide whether this 2 is big enough to make it go to 12,350 or stay as 12,340. So we know that if it's because it's a 2, it's going to stay the same. So our number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. So 12,340. We'll change the pen again for this last one. Okay, so draw a line after the tens column. Now the 9, okay, we need to decide whether it's going to go to 7,260 or stay as 7,250. Okay, so a 9 we know makes the number go up to the next 10. So our answer would be 7260. Okay, so let's have a look at the hundreds then. So round to the nearest hundred is exactly the same numbers this time. Okay, we're going to do it very similar to how we did it before. So you draw a line after your hundreds this time. Okay, we've got 100 here, got 121. So we need to decide whether it's closer to 100 or 200. So there are two options. So this 2 here, okay, if you think back to before, the 2 isn't big enough to make it go up to 200. Okay, so it stays at 100. Here we've got the 12,342, so we need to decide whether it's going to round up to 12,400 or stay as 12,300. So I'm going to draw my line after the hundreds column, put a line under the 4 because that's the one that changes. So a 4 is less than 5, so it's going to make it stay as 12,300. Okay, this last one, 7,259. So this time we're looking at whether it's going to move up to 7,300 or stay as 7,200. So this 5 is big enough to make this 2 round up. So it's 7,300. Okay, so what you've got to remember is you're looking to see whether it's closer to 7,300 than it is to 7,200, and that's another way of looking at it. And actually, yes, it's 41 away from 7,300, but it's 59 away from 7,200. So that's another way of looking at it.